This video shows how to get awesome analytics on your HubSpot data with Microsoft Power BI and DataSync for HubSpot. The DataSync is offered in several flavors, and trial period is offered for the basic one. To start with the product, add DataSync for HubSpot to cart. Our website will automatically offer to connect the product to the HubSpot portal of your choice. When ordering a trial, you won't be asked to provide payment details. It can always be done later. Order confirmation email will come in a few minutes after order completion. Use the credentials to connect to the database created for you. Launch Microsoft Power BI and find SQL Server under Data Sources list. Provide server name and database name. Choose to input database credentials and paste login and password sent to you. Your data schema will be displayed shortly. Select the tables you need. Power BI can automatically select all the related tables for you. Let it load the data. Now it's time to craft some nice-looking reports. Select fields across one or multiple tables, use date hierarchy that's applied automatically, and slice the data the way you want to see it. Relations are already set up, and Power BI structures the tables automatically. For your convenience, our software transforms pipeline stage timing information into an easy-to-use table and automatically aggregates HubSpot duration field into days. Your HubSpot analytics had never been easier.